I'm Richard Nance. I sell used trucks. I just wanted to see if I could send these out to some of you guys. We just got 3 former NASCAR events trucks. These are nice trucks, guys. They're 2018s. All of them have right around 325,000 miles. Super clean, nice seats, well taken care of trucks. You know, they were with the NASCAR group. All the badging will be taken off of them, but you got nice steps, nice chrome box there, full fenders, covers. Look at the back here. These are super nice trucks, guys. Very light use. So the events were basically hauling the stages and things of that nature, whatnots. You know, you're gonna see a little bit of this, but I mean, that's common. Just rock chips where it hit the paint. Truck number 2, Sears seat. Really super clean interiors. These drivers are professional drivers, held to a higher standard because these trucks are basically show trucks. Every time they go to an event, people were in and out of them. This is the 3rd one here. Same thing, that nice Sears seat. Again, all the badging will be taken off. Some of you may want to know if that could be taken off of these trucks to make them mid-roofs if you'd like. Super nice trucks. Give me a call. I don't have exact pricing yet, and I don't know an ETA as far as when these will be ready, but they just come in today. NASCAR picked up their new trucks. Same Macks or the Pinnacles, excuse me, they're the Pioneers now. Give me a call if you're interested. I'm glad to talk further with you about them. 970-987-9482. Thank you.